Some people seem to build wealth steadily over time, while others work just as hard but never quite get ahead. It's not usually about luck or some secret shortcut. More often, it's about avoiding the common pitfalls that quietly drain our resources and hold us back from financial progress. Today, we're going to explore 7 reverse formulas for building wealth, ideas that flip conventional thinking on its head. These aren't about chasing quick riches or guaranteed overnight success, because real financial growth comes from consistent, thoughtful habits. Instead, these reverse approaches highlight what not to do, and by understanding them, we can shift our mindset towards smarter choices that support long-term stability and growth. Think about your own relationship with money for a moment. Do you ever feel like no matter how much you earn, there's never enough left at the end of the month? That's a common experience, and it's often tied to subtle patterns we fall into without realizing it. The first reverse formula: don't spend more than you earn. It sounds straightforward, but this is where many people get stuck. The reverse way, spending everything that comes in, or even more by relying on credit, creates a cycle that's hard to break. Imagine driving a car with a slow leak in the tire. You can keep going for a while, but eventually you're stranded. In everyday American life, this shows up in small ways that add up. That daily $5 coffee on the way to work, the subscription services we forget about, or upgrading to the latest phone because the payments seem manageable. Over a year, those choices can mean thousands of dollars slipping away. Instead, the shift happens when we pause and ask, do I need this right now, or is it just a want? Building a simple awareness around spending gives us room to direct money toward things that grow, like an emergency fund or investments. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about choosing freedom over temporary convenience. Take a moment to reflect. When was the last time you checked where your money actually went in a month? That kind of honest look can be eye-opening. The second reverse formula: don't ignore saving first. A common reverse habit is waiting to save whatever's left after all the bills and fun. The problem is, there's often nothing left. It's like eating dessert before dinner and then wondering why you're not hungry for the nutritious part. Many of us grew up hearing pay your bills first, but flipping that, paying yourself first, changes everything. Even setting aside $50 or $100 automatically from each paycheck into a separate savings account builds momentum over time. Picture someone starting in their 20s or 30s, putting away a modest amount regularly into something like a high-yield savings account or a retirement plan. Years later, that habit has created a safety net that reduces stress and opens options. Ask yourself, if you started treating savings like your most important bill, how might that feel different a year from now? The third reverse formula: don't let lifestyle inflate automatically. As income goes up, maybe a raise at work or a better job, the reverse formula kicks in when spending rises right alongside it. Suddenly, a bigger house, nicer car, or more dining out feels necessary to match the new paycheck. In the US, where keeping up with appearances can be strong, it's easy to fall into. The alternative mindset is intentional growth. When extra money comes in, decide ahead of time how much goes to savings, debt reduction, or investments versus lifestyle upgrades. It's okay to enjoy some of it, but balance keeps the progress real. Have you noticed this in your own life or among friends? A promotion leads to more expenses, and the financial position stays the same.
The fourth reverse formula: don't rely only on one income source. Putting all eggs in one basket, depending solely on a job paycheck, is a reverse approach that leaves little room for growth. If something shifts, like a layoff or industry change, it can feel devastating. Building wealth often involves creating additional streams gradually. It could be a side interest that earns a little extra, investing in index funds through a brokerage account, or learning skills that open freelance opportunities. In America, many successful people have diversified over time, not all at once, but step by step. It reduces risk and increases possibilities. Reflect for a second. What small step could you take to explore another way money flows to you? The fifth reverse formula: Don't avoid learning about money. The reverse here is treating finances like something mysterious or boring, avoiding books, podcasts, or basic research. Without understanding, decisions come from emotion or ads rather than knowledge. Simple education, like knowing how compound interest works or the difference between good debt and bad, empowers better choices. For example, understanding that credit card interest can eat away at progress motivates paying them off sooner. No one needs to become an expert overnight. Just consistent small learning builds confidence. What money topic have you been putting off exploring? Starting there could shift things more than you expect. The sixth reverse formula: don't carry high-interest debt long-term. Using credit cards or loans for everyday spending, then only paying the minimum, is a reverse formula that transfers wealth away from you. Those interest rates, often 15 to 25% or more, make everything costlier over time. Think of it like paying rent on money you've already spent. Shifting away means prioritizing payoff, perhaps starting with the highest rate first. Many Americans carry some debt, but those who build wealth treat it as temporary, not permanent. Freeing up that money for saving or investing feels liberating. Consider your own situation. How much are you paying in interest each month that could go elsewhere? The seventh reverse formula: don't chase quick or impulsive opportunities. The reverse mindset jumps at get-rich-fast ideas, hot stocks, trends, or schemes promising big returns with little effort. Often it leads to losses and discouragement. True progress comes from patience and consistency. Regular contributions to diversified investments, like low-cost index funds tracking the broader market, have helped ordinary people build substantial wealth over decades. In the U.S., the stock market has historically grown around 7 to 10% annually after inflation, but only for those who stay invested through ups and downs. Ask yourself, am I making decisions from calm planning or from excitement and fear? These 7 reverse formulas aren't about perfection, they're about awareness. Most of us have fallen into some of them at times, and that's okay. The power lies in recognizing them and gently shifting direction. Building a stronger financial life is like tending a garden. It takes regular care, patience through seasons, and pulling weeds when they appear, but over time it grows into something solid and rewarding. Start small today. Maybe track spending for a week, automate a small savings transfer, or read one article on a money topic that's new to you. Those steps compound in ways that matter. If this resonated with you, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more calm, practical insights on mindset and growth. Drop a comment below. What's one reverse habit you've noticed in your life, and what's one change you're considering? Sharing helps all of us learn. Thanks for spending this time reflecting. You're taking steps that many never do, and that alone puts you ahead. Keep going. You've got this.